Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add columns in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. Two ways we will add columns in this Google Sheet. Click on this Google Sheet column serial number and select and click right button. And here you will find this insert column. You can insert column left and right. I will choose right and see this blank column now inserted, and click on this insert option second way. Now select column option and I will insert this column left and see this. Also I will insert multiple columns inside this Google Sheet. Now click right button and select insert column to the left and see this. Multiple blank columns now inserted. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.